Good morning to all. Today we will discuss about word problems in division of fractions. Let us see the example 2. Ashok buys 3.5 kilogram of potatoes for rupees 34 3 by 10. What is the cost of 5 kilogram of potatoes? Here they given cost of 3.5 kilogram of potatoes rupees 34 3 by 10, and then we need to find cost of 5 kilogram. If you know cost of 1 kilogram means easily we can find cost of 5 kilogram. Here solution, cost of 3.5 kilogram of potatoes, which is equal to rupees 34 3 by 10. Here 34 3 by 10 is the mixed fraction form. So first we need to convert into improper fraction. So 34 3 by 10, which is equal to rupees 343 by 10. Now cost of 1 kilogram of potato, which is equal to rupees 343 by 10 divided by 3.5. Here 3.5 is the mixed fraction. So first we need to convert into improper fraction. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, so which is equal to 7 by 2. So 3.5 is equal to 7 by 2. So which is equal to rupees 343 by 10 divided by 7 by 2. Now here we can use RCA rule. So rupees 343 by 10, this is R, and then C symbol we can change division symbol into multiplication symbol, and then inverse of 7 by 2 is 2 by 7. So which is equal to rupees 343 by 10 into 2 by 7. So which is equal to, we can simplify this terms, means we got rupees 49 by 5. This is the cost of 1 kilogram. Now we need to find cost of 5 kilogram. So cost of 5 kilogram, which is equal to rupees 49 by 5 into 5, which is equal to rupees 49. Therefore the cost of 5 kilogram of potatoes, which is equal to rupees 49. Let us see the next example. Example 3. Product of two numbers is 27 by 14. If one of them is 1 2 by 7, find the other. Here they given product of two numbers is 27 by 14, and then one number is 1 2 by 7. We need to find another one number. Solution. Product of two numbers, which is equal to 27 by 14, and then one of the number which is equal to 1 2 by 7. Here 1 2 by 7 is the mixed fraction. So which is equal to 1 7 is 7 plus 2 9. So 9 by 7, it is the improper fraction. So the required number, which is equal to 27 by 14 divided by 9 by 7. So here we can use RCA rule. So first R we can write 27 by 14 again, and then C, for instead of division symbol we can write multiplication symbol, and then inverse of 9 by 7 we can write 7 by 9. So we can simplify these terms. We got 3 by 2. This is the improper fraction. So which is equal to 1 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction. Therefore the required number, which is equal to 1 1 by 2. This is the answer. Let us see the next example. Example 5. After traveling a distance of 35 km, Rahul found that 3 by 8 of his journey was still left. What was the length of his whole journey? They given after traveling a distance of 35 km, still he need to travel 3 by 8 of whole journey. We need to find length of the whole journey. That means length of the whole distance we need to find. And then he already covered a distance 35 km. He need to cover a distance 3 by 8 of whole. See the picture. Here this is the starting point, this is the ending point. Rahul wants to cover this distance, and then he covered a distance 35 km, Remaining he needs to cover 3 by 8 of whole. Whole part we don't know. Let us take here whole part 1 kilometer. Whole part is 1 kilometer. Solution. Let the length of whole journey which is equal to 1 kilometer. Then the length of journey left which is equal to 3 by 8 of 1 kilometer. Half means product. So which is equal to 3 by 8 into 1 which is equal to 3 by 8 kilometer. See the picture. We already taken the whole length is 1 kilometer and then this part 3 by 8 kilometer he needs to cover a distance, and then remaining this part we can subtract from the whole part means we can get this one. So 1 minus 3 by 8 which is equal to 5 by 8 kilometer. This one already they given, this is equal to 35 kilometer. Therefore the length of journey covered which is equal to 1 minus 3 by 8 kilometer which is equal to 5 by 8 kilometer. But the length of journey covered which is equal to 35 kilometer, this is already they given in a problem. Therefore 5 by 8 of whole journey which is equal to 35 kilometer. We need whole journey. Therefore whole journey which is equal to, we need the length of whole journey which is equal to 35 divided by 5 by 8 kilometer. We can use RCI rule. So first we can write 35 again and then division symbol is changed into multiplication symbol. Next inverse of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. So 35 into 8 by 5 kilometer. We can simplify these terms. We can get 56 kilometer. So the length of the whole journey which is equal to 56 kilometer. This is the answer. Let us see the next problem. Exercise 2.6, 7th problem. Raghav bought 18.5 meter of cloth for rupees 245 1 by 8. Samir buys 26.5 meter of same cloth. How much should Samir pay the shopkeeper? Here Raghav and Samir both of them bought same cloth, and then length of the cloth for Raghav 18.5 meter. Length of the cloth for Samir 26.5 meter. Cost of the cloth for Raghav rupees 245 1 by 8. He paid already, and then Samir needs to pay the money. But how much he don't know. So how much money he needs to pay to the shopkeeper? That we need to find. Solution. For Raghav, the cost of 18.5 meter of cloth which is equal to rupees 245 1 by 8. So first we need to find cost of 1 meter of cloth which is equal to rupees 245 1 by 8 divided by 18 1 by 2. Here both of them in the form of mixed fraction. So first we need to convert into improper fraction. So which is equal to rupees 245 1 by 8. We can write 1961 by 8 divided by 18 1 by 2. We can convert into 37 by 2. So which is equal to rupees 1961 by 8 divided by 37 by 2. This is the improper fraction. So next we can use RCI rule. So or for the first one we can write same thing. So the rupees 1961 by 8, and then C, change the symbol. So division is changed into multiplication. Next to I, inverse of 37 by 2 which is equal to 2 by 37. So which is equal to 1961 by 8 into 2 by 37. Which is equal to, we can simplify these terms. We can get 53 by 4. 53 by 4 is the improper fraction. So we need to convert into mixed fraction. So 53 by 4 which is equal to 13 1 by 4. This is the mixed fraction. Therefore the cost of 1 meter of cloth which is equal to rupees 13 1 by 4. Both of them bought same cloth. So for Samir also the cost of 1 meter of cloth which is equal to rupees 13 1 by 4. Here we need to find the cost of 26.5 meter of cloth which is equal to rupees 13 1 by 4 into 26.5. Here both of them in the form of mixed fraction. So first step we need to convert into improper fraction. So 13 1 by 4 which is equal to 53 by 4. 26 1 by 2 which is equal to 53 by 2. So which is equal to rupees 53 by 4 into 53 by 2. Now this is the normal product which is equal to rupees 2809 by 8. This is improper fraction. So we need to convert into mixed fraction. So which is equal to rupees 351 1 by 8. Therefore the cost of 26.5 meter of cloth rupees 351 1 by 8. That means Samir should pay the money to the shopkeeper is rupees 351 1 by 8. Worksheet is given separately. Everyone work out all the problems. If you have any doubt, call me. Thank you.